Hi Ray. Every now and then I get this error coming up. It's not all the time. Um, I have, this would be the first load of the page because I've just cleared all caches and this has not run before. So yeah, I think you can see what it says there. And yeah, I've noticed this every now and then. It's not a persistent problem, but it happens every now and then. So yeah, we need to investigate this one and figure out why it's doing it. So anyway, that's a quick screencast for that. And I will add that this is on the staging environment. So I cleared Cloudflare, not that Cloudflare should be turned on, cleared auto optimize, cleared SiteGround optimizer, and then went to the demo page and then this page.